energy is important to all things in the world. For examples, plants and animals need energy to grow. Humans need energy to carry out different kinds of activities, such as talking and running. A car needs energy to move, and a mobile phone needs energy to operate. Energy exists in many different forms. Let us study some examples. Light energy is a form of energy that enables us to see things. Sources of light, such as the sun, and lamps, give out light energy. A brighter light source gives out more light energy. The sun also gives out thermal energy. Fire is also a common source of thermal energy. Some electrical appliances, such as electric heaters and irons, give out thermal energy. A hotter object gives out more thermal energy. When an object produces sound, it gives out sound energy. We give out sound energy when we sing or speak. Musical instruments are sources of sound energy too. The louder the sound is produced, the more sound energy is given out. All electrical appliances need electrical energy to operate. The electrical energy needed by large appliances in our home, such as televisions and hi-fi sets, are supplied from power stations. On the other hand, dry cells can also provide electrical energy to drive small electrical appliances, such as alarm clocks and hand torches. The food we eat stores chemical energy. The chemical energy can be used for keeping our body warm, for growth and for other activities such as walking and dancing. Dry cells and fuels such as petrol also store chemical energy. When dry cells are used, the chemical energy is released as electrical energy. When fuels are burned, the chemical energy is released as thermal energy. When an object is moving, it carries kinetic energy. For example, a running athlete and a moving car both carry kinetic energy. When an object moves faster, it carries more kinetic energy. If two objects move at the same speed, the heavier object carries more kinetic energy. When an object moves upwards, it gains potential energy. For example, when we lift up a box, the box gains potential energy. The higher the position, the more potential energy the box gains. On the other hand, when we compress or stretch an elastic object, it stores potential energy. For example, when an elastic band is stretched, or a spring is compressed, it stores potential energy. Let's try to identify forms of energy in our daily life. Stephen, Joanne, Doris, and Tim went on a picnic last weekend. Can you identify the different forms of energy shown in the scene? The sun gives out thermal energy, and light energy. When the ball is thrown upwards, it gains potential energy. Since the dog is running, it carries kinetic energy. The food stores chemical energy. When the guitar is played, it gives out sound energy. The tablet computer requires electrical energy to work.